Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Today we're looking at a space-saving idea in terms of doors. Well, this is a door frame which is not your standard size. Well, in order to put a normal door in there, it's going to cost you quite a bit to have it custom made. So what we're going to do today is put in a folding or stacking door, which is easy to install and will save you that space when you get into those tight areas. Let me show you how we're going to fit this. So in order to install this folding door, we're going to need a couple of items. First and foremost, we'll need the PVC folding door, which has all the required items inside there in terms of the locks and hinges and so forth. We also need a cordless screwdriver, a 2mm drill bit, screwdriver heads, insulation tape, tape measure, pencil, and a very sharp hacksaw. So after carefully measuring the top of the door frame, I'm going to have to cut the top rail to size. That's the most important part, and that's where you start as well with this project. It is 7/6. I'll need to give 2 mils on either side, so cut carefully. Always start with the center screw. Then hang your top rail, secure it, but don't screw the other 2 outer screws in just yet. So with the top rail in place, what we have to do is measure out for our door. We will hold it at the base of the top rail. Let your tape go all the way down to the bottom. Use your knee if you have to. And remember to leave about 5 mil clearance at the base. So it needs to be about 1955 mils. Remember, the door is 2030 high, so we're gonna have to cut off quite a bit at the end. So we've cut our door to size, but now we need to take off this base plate and screw that back onto our original door, and then it's all sorted. Okay, so our door is cut to size and it's almost time to be hung. But before we do that, we're going to put our lock and handles in place. All it is just slipping it through the pre-drilled holes and clipping the handles in place. Once that's in place, take your door, and remember, it is directional. So our magnets are on the left-hand side. This is the fixed side, so that will go into our top rail. Just guide it in carefully. There we go. With that in place, we can now tighten our top rail. So everything has been done. Now we need to put in our fix-in plates. That will attach the edge of the door to our door frame. Just drill 3 guide holes, screw them in place, and then fix your door in place. As part of the installation of the door, they do give you a little bottle of petroleum jelly. Now this is for the guiding mechanism on the top, just to lubricate it, and that will make sure that your door rail runs nice and smooth. Secure the magnet for the locking mechanism. There we go, folding door is in place and it looks fantastic, especially with these windows, which adds a bit more light into the bathroom as well as into the bedroom. Well, for more projects like this, get on over to our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.